Something huge is happening right before our eyes and in our time. A giant $500 billion company is being created. Stargate, a company to develop artificial intelligence, AI, in the United States, will be created in the United States. This was announced during a speech at the White House on January 21 by U.S. President Donald Trump. SoftBank founder Masayoshi Son, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, and Oracle founder Larry Ellison, Axios and CNN report. How quickly events are unfolding. You can see just a day ago that President Trump rescinded Joe Biden's 2023 executive order aimed at reducing the risks associated with AI. Biden's executive order required developers of AI systems that pose a threat to national security, the economy, public health, or public safety to provide the results of security tests to the government before they are publicly released. In addition, the order obliged federal agencies to set standards for such tests and take into account the risks associated with various types of weapons and cybersecurity. The Republican Party felt that the order was hindering innovation in the field of AI, which led to its repeal. It is very interesting that Elon Musk is not involved in the Stargate project. It is obvious that he advised Donald Trump on the creation of such a global project. Here we can recall that Musk has repeatedly warned that uncontrolled development of AI can lead to catastrophic consequences, and insisted on the need for strict regulations. Stargate AI, focused on commercialization, and not on ethical aspects, may have seemed to Musk to ignore the main threats. Perhaps he believes that the project increases the emphasis on the rapid implementation of technologies at the expense of their safety, which is incompatible with his approach to the development of AI. Is this a conflict between Musk and Trump against the background of AI safety? Sam Altman, on the other hand, seems to have no brakes on this issue. In an interview with Bloomberg, Sam Altman said that, in his opinion, removing bureaucratic hurdles is a key step to speeding up the construction of data center infrastructure in the United States. He noted, "What I really deeply agree with, President Trump, is that it's crazy how hard it's become to build in the United States. Power plants, data centers, all that stuff. I understand how bureaucratic crap accumulates, but it doesn't benefit the country as a whole," Altman said. Altman emphasizes that countries that want to maintain leadership in technology must simplify the processes associated with building and implementing the infrastructure needed to run modern technologies like artificial intelligence. He calls for an overhaul and simplification of bureaucratic processes, which, in his opinion, will not only speed up construction, but also benefit the U.S. economy as a whole. His words highlight the need to recognize that technological progress requires not only innovative solutions, but also an adequate regulatory environment. In addition to OpenAI, SoftBank, and Oracle, the UAE-based investment company MGX is participating in the creation of the company. At the initial stage, the partners are going to invest $100 billion in the project, with the possibility of increasing the investment to $500 billion over the next 4 years. Trump called Stargate the largest AI infrastructure project in history. According to the president, the new company will create more than 100,000 jobs in the United States. This is a monumental undertaking, a powerful declaration of confidence in America's potential under the new president, Trump said. According to the U.S. president, Stargate will create the physical and virtual infrastructure for the next generation of artificial intelligence, including data centers across the country. Oracle's Larry Ellison said that the group's first project, covering 1 million square feet, about 93,000 square meters, is already under construction in Texas. In a statement, Oracle said that the Stargate project will ensure American leadership in AI, create hundreds of thousands of American jobs, and bring enormous economic benefits to the world. Stargate's chairman is SoftBank's Masayoshi Son, and its first technology partners include ARM, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Oracle, and OpenAI. The Stargate project will begin with a site in Abilene, Texas, which will be the first of the planned installations. OpenAI said the project is considering additional locations across the country for new campuses while negotiations on final agreements continue. By 2029, Stargate could grow to a network of 20 data centers. Each building, Larry Ellison said during a briefing, will be about 500,000 square feet. 10 such facilities are currently under construction. The information previously reported that Microsoft and OpenAI are planning a series of data centers, starting with 5 phases that will culminate in Stargate, a 5-gigawatt facility spread across hundreds of acres. The massive project is expected to take 5 to 6 years to complete. Before that, Microsoft could build a smaller data center for OpenAI by 2026. Many tech industry leaders are calling for the U.S. to increase investment in data center infrastructure to keep up with the rapid growth of the AI industry. Training and scaling AI systems require significant computing resources. Goldman Sachs predicts that AI technologies will consume about 19% of all data center capacity by 2028. OpenAI admits that limited computing resources are holding up its product launches. This shortage of capacity has reportedly caused tensions between OpenAI and Microsoft, its key partner and major investor. The Stargate project is a new company which intends to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years, building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI in the United States. We will begin deploying $100 billion immediately. This infrastructure will secure American leadership in AI, create hundreds of thousands of American jobs, and generate massive economic benefit for the entire world. This project will not only support the reindustrialization of the United States but also provide a strategic capability to protect the national security of America and its allies. ARM, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Oracle, and OpenAI are the key initial technology partners. The build-out is currently underway, starting in Texas, and we are evaluating potential sites across the country for more campuses as we finalize definitive agreements. As part of Stargate, Oracle, NVIDIA, and OpenAI will closely collaborate to build and operate this computing system. This builds on a deep collaboration between OpenAI and NVIDIA going back to 2016 and a newer partnership between OpenAI and Oracle. This also builds on the existing OpenAI partnership with Microsoft. OpenAI will continue to increase its consumption of Azure as OpenAI continues its work with Microsoft with this additional compute to train leading models and deliver great products and services. All of us look forward to continuing to build and develop AI, and in particular AGI, for the benefit of all of humanity. We believe that this new step is critical on the path, and will enable creative people to figure out how to use AI to elevate humanity. OpenAI said in a statement on Twitter. In addition, OpenAI is also known to be actively developing its own AI chips in collaboration with Broadcom and TSMC, which has drawn attention to their use in the Stargate project. These specialized processors are designed to work with large AI models and could be implemented in 2026. This move is aimed at overcoming OpenAI's dependence on NVIDIA chips, which dominates the AI computing industry but creates significant limitations due to high prices and limited supplies. As part of a partnership with Broadcom, known for its high-performance solutions, and TSMC, a leader in semiconductor manufacturing, OpenAI is developing chips that can support even more complex AI models. These processors could fit perfectly into the infrastructure of Stargate data centers. Using such chips will provide the necessary power to train and run large-scale AI systems. The development of its own chips demonstrates OpenAI's ambitions not only in the field of creating AI, but also in building an autonomous computing infrastructure. If the project is successful, it would not only improve the efficiency of Stargate's data centers, but would also give OpenAI a technological advantage in a rapidly growing industry. It could also significantly change the balance of power in a market where NVIDIA has long held a leading position.